In this video, I'll walk you through how to connect your RevenueHunt quiz to HubSpot, and then use the quiz data to set up segments and personalized emails inside HubSpot. First, make sure your quiz is ready to send leads. To do that, open your quiz and click Customize to enter the quiz builder. Go to the Questions tab and check whether your quiz already includes an email question. If it doesn't, you can add a new question and choose email address, or add an email block to any existing question. An email field is required. Without it, contacts cannot be sent to HubSpot. Once the email question is in place, head back to the dashboard and open Quiz Settings. Go to Integrations, scroll down, and find HubSpot. Click Connect. You'll be redirected to HubSpot's authentication screen where you sign into your HubSpot account. Choose the HubSpot account you want to connect. Grant permission to manage and view CRM data. After approving the connection, you'll be redirected back to the RevenueHunt app, where you'll see that HubSpot is now connected. At this point, enable syncing so contacts from this quiz are sent to HubSpot. Now that HubSpot is connected, we'll take a test quiz to push data into HubSpot. Open your quiz preview, start the quiz, and complete it with sample data. For example, Sarah at RevenueHunt.com. Finish the quiz and reach the results page. Once that's done, a new response is created in RevenueHunt, and the contact is automatically sent to HubSpot. To confirm this, go to HubSpot, Contacts, All Contacts, and search for the email you just used. You'll see a new contact profile created by the Product Recommendation Quiz. Open the contact profile. Under About This Contact, View All Properties, you'll find a large set of properties added by RevenueHunt, including quiz name and quiz ID, all quiz answers, recommended products, response metadata, timestamps, and identifiers. In most cases, 25+ custom properties are added automatically. These properties are what power segmentation, automation, and personalization in HubSpot. Next, let's create a segment only for people who took the quiz. In HubSpot, go to CRM, Segments, Create Segment, Contact-Based Segment. Add a filter such as quiz name is equal to skincare quiz. This works because every quiz taker receives this property. Name the list something like skincare quiz takers. Set it as an active list and save it. From now on, every contact who completes this quiz will automatically enter this segment. Using quiz data in HubSpot emails. Now let's use quiz data inside an email. Go to Marketing, Email, and create a new email. Add a text block and place your cursor where you want dynamic content. Click Personalize. Insert personalization token. From here, you can insert the quiz name, insert the customer's name, insert answers to quiz questions, or use any custom property sent by RevenueHunt. For example, you can say something like, "Hi quiz taker, you've taken the insert quiz name." When you preview the email as Sarah, you'll see her name filled in automatically and the exact quiz she completed dynamically inserted. This is how you build highly personalized post-quiz emails using HubSpot, powered entirely by quiz data. From here, you can build full automation workflows, nurture sequences, and targeted campaigns, all based on how customers answered your quiz. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.